2014 Victory motorcycles come with a variety of windscreen options to add both style and comfort to your riding experience. Victory Motorcycles windscreen options offers comfort for you and your passenger in seconds. With 3 height options, premium tour, tall, and flip, you can customize your bike to fit any riding style. Designed to provide maximum protection from the elements, Victory windscreens are made with scratch-resistant polycarbonate. With a stock option 3 inches taller than standard, these windscreens create a larger, more comfortable pocket to enjoy your ride. Installation for the lock and ride windscreens is a snap and requires no additional tools or hardware. Add long haul comfort in seconds with Victory motorcycle windscreen accessories. Visit your local Victory dealer to find the windscreen that fits you.